just off his garage. Well, I'm driving the GMC right now, and oh my god, it feels so good. Oh, man, ever since I had that rear end put in it, perfect. But anyways, right now, we're headed to pick something up. I'll tell you a little story. So I was at the car lot, right? One of my dealer friends, you know, my dealer friends that go to the auction with me, I see him at auction all the time, he came by and said, hey, I got a little something for you. I'm like, okay, what is it? He said, I want this car gone off of my hands. Would you take it? I was like, what is it? He told me it was a 97 Ford Explorer XLT V8 all-wheel drive. No brakes. I was like, sure, in a heartbeat. And that's where we're going right now. We're going to look at it, make sure it's all good to go, and then confirm everything. Stay tuned. All right. So we're just in time for the party, huh? Going out? Yeah, it's going to need tires for sure. Here's the engine running smooth. It's got a spare on there. That ain't no big deal. It's got some Goodyear Wranglers on the back. Kind of nice. XLT. Oh, it's not, but it'll work. Yeah. Let's see. AC is cold. Let's get in it. Overdrive off. Yep, no brakes. No brakes. Not worth
like
a shit.
When you touch it.
I know, right?
You got to get that reference number and all that stuff. Call them today. They said we should go on and bring it in the morning.
Okay. Well.
You call and verify if you get it. Bring it on in.
Okay, perfect.
If you want it, you can have him other 2 cars and stuff like that.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know a thing about those trucks now.
I understand.
I want you to know that.
Yeah.
I can't drive it no brake neither.
V8 all-wheel drive. I think I could take it around the yard a little bit.
You'll
Maybe.
run into something. That's what we not stop.
Oh.
I like to run around here while I go.
You said the e-brake works though, right?
It won't stop it. It won't stop it.
Oh gosh.
And you can't pump it up. It ain't got no.
Wow. Huh. Yep, nothing. Then how would you stop it though? How did you get it here? Did you put it in neutral or something?
I climbed up the hill with it.
Uh-huh.
And then when I got here, I just knocked it neutral and it stopped when it started up in front of the truck.
Oh.
It's dangerous. And I'm telling you, it's dangerous. That's why, like I say,
Uh-huh.
it don't matter to me either way. I got the truck here, and I'll take it either way.
Yep.
And the jump man said he'd take it. So either way, it's going away from here.
Yep. I see that.
Moving it around, that stuff is dangerous. But I started around there a while ago, and I thought I was going to hit the building coming down. But I couldn't stop.
Let me check some few things here. Oh. There's no brake fluid in here. No brake fluid. It might be leaking, yeah.
Yeah, it was full. Must be a line leaking under it.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's probably not that big of a deal. So what was the deal? So what was the deal again? Would you do $300? Well, you said no. What did you say?
I got paperwork in there to say it'll bring 405 if you want to take it to LK.
Okay. Well, I guess you can load it up on the truck, and after we leave, just leave it at over at Stallion Motors over there.
I got the title right here.
Yeah, leave the title somewhere in the car or whatever. And it's signed, right?
Yeah, right here it is. I got it.
Okay.
I got it in the folder. what it is. You
Really?
buy this thing, you're buying it just like it is. No guarantees. If you don't want it, take it to LKQ or I will, either one. No matter
Yeah,
what it
okay, okay.
is. This is it. And like I say, right here is your, there's your LKQ reference number.
Mm-hmm.
And they said if you drop it off over there, they give us that for it in the morning if you want us to.
Okay.
Like I say, if you got any doubts at all and don't feel comfortable, we'll take it on the LK, you know.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, let's make some business then. Appreciate it. And here we are. 11 million, late o'clock at night. And guy just picked him up another Ford Explorer yet again. We'll reveal all the numbers once the deals are said and done and everything, but let's have a crack at it, shall we? And as y'all seen in the previous clip, the thing runs great. Y'all haven't seen it drive, but we're about to find that out. Oh my god. So the guy said there's no brakes, but you know, I went ahead and did the right thing and said, who needs brakes? And I jumped on it and bought the car. Now we're gonna see what's wrong with these brakes. Oh, and like I said, by the way, engine's great, transmission condition unknown. So I just did the right thing and jumped on it. Let's pull off because the problem is in this wheel right here. So we're gonna pull the wheel off and we're gonna hook our little peepers on and see what's going on under there. First things first, we need a hubcap extractor 200 to take these center caps off. You just go on there and like that, just shove it, pry it off. Easy. Then we need to take all 5 lug nuts loose, because the guy didn't bring any power tools to the job, because you know we're on a budget here and power tools are just so expensive for a really good one. So we're just going to take all 5 off, you know, just loosen them, then jack her up in the air and loosen the lug nuts the rest of the way, and I guess we'll beat the tire off and take a look. 19 millimeter, perfect. For extra leverage, the guy's got him a breaker bar. Might not be that long, but it's definitely something. So just go on them like that. Maybe put, you know, your tire weight on it. Remember last video? Like that. Just kind of on there and just on all your weight. There we go. There we go. All your weight on it. I don't care if you weigh 2 or 3 pounds. All your weight on it. It'll come loose. You know, I weigh 200,000 pounds, so you know, it should be easy for a guy, you know. Oops. About to say it, but I didn't. Let's keep it family friendly out here. Whew. Ooh, this one's a tough one. There we go. Now we're going to jack her up. Sweet. Keep pumping away. Mustafa, where do you lift the car from? Just whenever it starts lifting. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't lift it just anywhere. In this case, it's a body on frame, so I'm lifting it. Yeah. Let's take a look. Yep, we're lifting it right on the frame where the leaf spring attaches. So that's what we're doing. Great. Now, since she's in the air, we're going to loosen these lug nuts the rest of the way. And for this one, we can probably just get away with using a regular ratchet wrenching thing. That's what we're doing. And just keep going. And by the way, quick tip, make sure you save on these and don't lose them. They're kind of important, you know. Just trust me on this one, you got this. Get these off. Oh, this one's already off. I was going to say, some of these wheels like to stay seized up on here. But in this case, it just came right off. But if they do, for some reason, seize up, you just give them a good old whack. Or, you know, one of these joints. It'll come right off for you. In this case, it was easy, so let's put it off to the side. Great. Alrighty guys, I finally put the peepers on, so let's take a look at the damage. This rotor's definitely going to need to be turned or replaced. Great. These pads are just gone. Oh, here's the caliper. Let's inspect it further. Oh God. The lines seem to be okay. Back here. Here's a spare that, you know, the guy was talking about. I don't know if he said it on camera, but he did say something about the spare. So, let's take a look down here where the actual problem is. Yep, we definitely got us a leak. It's brake fluid. Had to know that. Probably a bad wheel cylinder, yep. Yep. We're gonna need to get a new one of these. More than likely a new one of these, and definitely a new set of these. Dang it. Whoa, let's take a look at the other side. I got 99 problems, and this Ford's definitely one. Let's take a look back here. Yeah, we might want to replace on this one too. Yeah, she's bad. She's pretty bad. She's pretty bad. She's got a differential. She's got a sway bar back here. Sweet. Bet this thing will be cool in the corners and all of that. I don't know about this side, but definitely that side needs taken care of. Yeah. Let's see. Probably gonna have to pull this wheel off too. But we're gonna do the right thing and just leave it on there for now. She runs now, but we're not gonna drive her because we don't want to risk killing anybody or probably killing ourselves or causing damage. So let's not do that. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's definitely brake fluid. It's been leaking out of there forever. Let's take a look at one the guy got here. We got leather. Let's smells like cigarettes. Yeah, it's definitely... He said it's under the seat, or probably under the carpet or something. I don't know. But either way, let's take a look. It's got a radio. He said the AC works, so that's always good. Got a back seat too, and we got 2 new tires in the trunk. Great. Oh, and it's got a sunroof. I didn't see that right there. Let's take a look. It opens, but we're not gonna try to mess with it right now. But let's take a look here. 279,000 miles. She's seen better days now. She's seen better days. Oh, power seats. Sweet, and they work. Battery's kind of low on her. But yeah, here she is. So we're gonna call it a wrap today, or tonight, so to speak. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like. And if you like more content, I guess you can hit a subscribe button and hit the bell notifications to get more updates on when I upload a new video. And yeah, comment below, what do I do with this thing? Okay, well, you're probably not going to see this video until after the fact, but comment what we probably should have done with this thing, I guess, or whatever. Yeah. I mean, not really a bad vehicle, but, you know, little by little, film a little bit of fixing on her, maybe tomorrow. Get that taken care of back there, get the new tires put on the front, because you might not have seen in the camera, but these tires are pretty shot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. See you later. Have a good day.